In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Jira Service Management project. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along and create your service management setup quickly. If you're starting from the main workspace and want to create a new service project using a template, this process is very straightforward. To begin, go to Spaces and click the plus icon. This is the starting point for creating something new in your Atlassian workspace. The plus icon usually opens the Create menu where you can choose the kind of project or workspace item you want to build. If you don't see it right away, take a second to look around the top navigation area. Once that menu opens, click on Service Management. This option is specifically for creating a service-focused project, which is ideal for handling requests, support workflows, internal help desks, or other service operations. Choosing the correct project type here is important because it determines the default features and structure that Jira will set up for you. After that, click on General Service Management. This template is a good all-purpose starting point, especially if you want flexibility and don't need a highly specialized setup right away. Templates help speed up the process by giving you a pre-built framework, so you don't have to configure everything from scratch. That makes it easier to get started and customize later if needed. Next, click on Use Template. This tells Jira to create your new service management project based on the general service management setup. At this point, the platform begins preparing the project structure for you in the background. This usually includes default request types, queues, and other basic service management elements that help you get up and running faster. Then wait for it to load. Depending on your connection speed and workspace performance, this may take a few moments. It's completely normal for the page to pause briefly while Jira builds the new project. During this stage, avoid clicking around too much or refreshing the page, since that can interrupt the setup process. And that's it. Once it finishes loading, your Jira Service Management project should be created and ready for you to explore. From there, you can continue customizing it based on your team's needs, but the core project setup is now in place. If you're following along, just take it one click at a time, and you should have no trouble creating your service management project successfully.